2, 3, funky.
Give you the story of Lover's Leap attraction. All right, so the legend of Lover's Leap all begins in the 18th century, where 1,500 acres of land that comprise of this community that you know in and other adjoining communities. No, the two enslaved Africans that lives on this plantation was Mizzy and Tunki. Mizzy was from this plantation, Tunki was from a neighboring plantation. No, at night, Mizzy and Tunki, they used to sneak away, meet up, have a little bit of fun, then they went their separate ways. No, Mr. Richard Yardley didn't like that because he wanted Mizzy for himself. So when he found out what was going on between Mizzy and Tunki, he made a plan with Tunki's slave master to sell Tunki. But in a plantation, nothing stays a secret. So Mizzy and Tunki eventually become aware of the plan that Sir Yardley had for them, and they decided they're going to try to escape. They were actually on the verge of escaping, but Sir Yardley started to chase after them. So that's how this community that you're now in gets its name, Yardley Chase. So the Yardley comes from Yardley, and because they proceeded chase after the enslaved Africans, they named it Yardley Chase. So they were chased on the cart right at the edge of the cliff, and they basically had nowhere else to go. So that's when they decided that they'd rather end their lives here as lovers rather than to live another day and to be separated. So to the final embrace, the hell hands, and then they jump. So hence the name today, Lovers Leap.
Alright guys, back in, so seeing the view, see what it's like. I'll get a better view from here. The light is quite bad. Well, we are 1,700 feet from above sea level. Really awesome. I love the vibe so far. And yeah man, really tranquil, something different. So today guys, we're going to do a bit of trekking. It's going to be epic vlogs. Obviously in the British Army we do a lot of tabbing with weights and stuff like that. But this is different. The people we're with now at the moment, the vibe. I think another YouTuber is here as well. So I'm gonna link her up and then see what the vibe's like. But as I said guys, it's slightly different, and with the atmosphere, you know what I mean, the weather, the people, the sea breeze and everything, you know, just the vibe, you know. We're gonna trek 2.5 kilometers, 2.5 back. I think we're gonna come back to this location here. And this is where we're gonna have our meal, or like a little dinner or so, or lunch I should say. And then we're going to disperse from here. So yeah, stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Hi guys.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, it's Jessica Cargill, and I also have a YouTube channel, Jessica Cargill.
I definitely put the link in the description.
Yeah,
guys.
we're here. Send best, Lovers
Fabulous
Leap.
YouTuber. You know what I mean? She loves to eat. Good swimmer as well. I think she's way better than me.
Well,
way better.
Sea don't look so good, so we're on a trekking trip today.
Yeah.
She
Something
look
different.
choppy.
Yeah, it should be good. It should be fun.
You going down there? Or you been already?
Come on, I'm on it.
Oh, you been already?
I'm on it. You know, I don't dress for the attire. You know what I mean? I'm trying. You know what I mean? I'm sorry, guys. You know? No, literally, because when I was packing, I was like shoving stuff down. I know I already spoke to Patrick.
Yeah.
And I was just pushing stuff in my suitcase. And
Yeah.
when I was on the flight, I'm thinking, oh my God, no long sleeve, nothing. You know, no long pants.
Well, I think that on this trek you should be fine. There were other treks you should have a long sleeve, but I think this one
should be alright.
you should be alright.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you, don't I?
Hey, big up.
We would trek up and take our time coming down. This time will be easy going down for some of us, and we'll be roughing it to come back. In terms of security, when I checked yesterday, the security level was neutral, but there are wasps. Wasps are there. I'm sure of that. And I'm not sure what else is there. So insects are there, naturally. Do not disturb them. Thank you. Outside.
Feeling good, bro. Lovers Leap. I'm telling you, nice place to be. Going on this walk today, my brother. May hope it be a successful walk and everybody enjoy themselves and bathe themselves and be happy and be good. I'm telling you, it's going to be a bomb. I'm feeling it already and I don't move yet. So just imagine, it's going to be a bomb.
Alright guys, so that's it. Warm up done. You know, did about a good maybe 3 to 5 minutes warm up there. You see the team already all bubbly. Gonna trek down, come back up, it's gonna be the pain. So we're gonna set up in the next maybe 2 2-3 minutes. Can't wait. Energy is good. Everyone's ready for it. Ready to go?
Long time.
All good?
Yeah.
Big man himself? All good?
Yes, ready.
All ready to go, ladies?
Checking it is.
Of course.
Outside.
Outside.
All ready to go?
Ready.
For the slide.
Ladies, all good?
Yes, all good.
Yeah?
Ready.
Oh, nice.
Good to go.
Yeah?
Ready to go.
Yeah, guys, so we just walk roughly about five minutes down, and this is view what we got so far.
5 minutes.
5 minutes trekking so far, yeah. View is amazing. Oh, I'm sweating. You know, but trust me, just the vibe so far, man. You know, you can't go wrong. And also, the view is like everywhere you go. It's like literally we're going downhill, guys. So the view just there. You can see the ocean over there. And yeah, nice. But you know the odd thing though, we're going down. Down is the fun part, but we're coming back up. Look at this. So amazing. Let's go.
See it here, Fabziy, way out of London. Keep quiet. You tell them all about it, they should know. It's like a stage show.
Wow. I'm gonna keep saying it, that view is amazing, but I can't deny it, mate. Look at that. Welcome to Jamaica. So if you look up there, you see the guys coming down. So you got the split in 2 teams. So I got A and B team, and this is part of the A team. Hey, you guys part of the A team or B team?
I'm right in the middle.
You're in the middle. Oh, like, and look who we have here. I don't catch you, eh? Oh, man,
Yeah.
I'm dripping wet with sweat.
Oh, me too. Like, it's just running down my sweat.
But yo, the view though. Let's
Amazing.
turn and show them what's it
Yeah,
like.
let's see what's up here.
People, come on.
So you can see what's up.
Yeah? I know I'm dripping with sweat, so I'm not gonna apologize. I'm in Jamaica.
No.
It's like what, 28?
I'm gonna wash it off down there.
You get me? 28 degrees. I'm with the famous Jess. You know what I mean? Can't wait. Let's go, baby. It's like a bit dark in here, but oh man, I'm so burned. But I'm like running down this mountain or cliff face, you would say. Yeah, cliff face. So I'm just running down it. I mean, I passed easily maybe 9 people. But in the end of the day, it's not a race. Because what I'm doing, obviously, I'm trying to capture the first team and also the second team. So I'm just literally back and forth. You know?
Thank you.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we roughly what? Around maybe 30 minutes in, half an hour in the trek. And I'm boiling, you know what I mean? It's super hot. She's prep. You know what I mean? She have her hat and everything all good to go. You get me, her sun visor at the back, everything. Sun cream as well.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? Water and everything. So I'm boiling, guys. So yeah, you know what I mean? As I said, tell you guys before, the view is amazing here. Without a doubt, it's like every stop we made, you know what I mean? It's like this, literally. You know, so yeah, me and Jess just trekking away, chatting away, talking about YouTube business. Can't let you know that secret. Come on. All right, guys. So we're coming near to the end. So if you look down there, we got one of the colleagues down the bottom down there. So Jess is stumbling away, and we got someone down the bottom there already there. So yeah, we're going all the way down there and then all the way back up. Up is gonna be tasty, painful, exciting, and yeah, loads of cry along the way. So coming down, we have the view. Going up, we're gonna have the view, and we're gonna be thinking about the food as well. So I'm waiting on that. Can't look like, you know, you have a video back up top. Look at that. That's where we're going, guys. All the way up there. So we have some guys up here, and we're gonna go all the way back up to the top. The restaurant is roughly up there somewhere. You know, ridiculous. Jess is feeling the burn already. Come on, don't die on us. Come on, get up.
No, I just
You
want to
can
make it look very steep. It's steep. So I give you some angles.
a bit windy. I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, I'm dripping with sweat. Look at my shirt. I don't know if you can see properly, but super dripping with sweat now. We got Jess just at the top there, and you had a group member coming down. You can see now at the top. Just over here somewhere. That's on there. We got 2 individual. That's 18. Yeah, they've been here before. They have experience with this. See you guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow, epic.
Great so far.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good vibe, innit?
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
You know the only thing missing, what I'm saying? A nice cold coconut.
Yeah.
Agree?
Yeah. Jelly coconut.
Sister laugh like that. All right, choo choo choo. So like a little train.
Yeah.
She sound like a little train. Choo choo choo. And on the flat, take off the pressure off my knees. So I'm now with these beautiful young ladies. Yeah. The first in the pack to reach. Really? Where you finding? No, I'm joking.
Second in the pack. It was hard.
Yeah.
It was hard. I fell 3 times. Yay! And there's a patch up there that was the stones were quite loose.
Yeah.
There's no steep. I mean, going up is going to be a challenge.
I came long time, you know. I came long time.
Came long time. Went back up and come back down again.
Yes, long time.
How you find it though?
I love it.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
It's nice.
Beautiful, like coming down. I was saying, you know, the view.
Look at what I've accomplished. All of that.
All of that.
Yeah. Good.
Nice one.
Good.
High five. Well done. Sis, what's going on with you?
I am just relaxing in the breeze, you know what I mean? I walked down, I made it. I'm walking back up soon.
Nice.
Just relaxing in the
Stretching
breeze.
and relaxing.
Exactly.
You get some nice pictures and all that.
I did.
Yeah? Make sure.
Well, I did actually. We're going. You guys take it when you finish.
Yeah. Alright, no, that's not, yeah?
Okay.
So we're not going to get the group picture then because Corey gone.
Corey, come!
I don't hear you.
It's on the rock, you know?
Yes, see there. And then
Now come.
And we up top, man. How you find it?
It's good. Just as I expected.
Just as you expected. Not even one drop of sweat. Look at it. Nice and dry, shirt dry, everything, yeah? It's about used to it.
Good.
Yeah? Nice one. Jenna.
Yeah, man, go outside. Lovers Leap, St. Elizabeth.
I will tell them.
Trekkers Live.
Where them a leap go?
Them a leap go, now leave go. No, outside.
It was awesome. I slid 2 times and even that was awesome.
Yeah.
Difficult journey, but I tell you, great, awesome experience. I love it. I'm not certain about doing it another time, but it was an amazing
Oh,
experience.
come on. You definitely come back again. You definitely come back
Probably
again.
somewhere else, but not
Yeah,
here.
not here.
Come down on this thing, but we couldn't leave the lady behind. She was the last one, so we have to carry her with peace and love.
Outside. Truckers Adventure.
Truckers Adventure, always real people, can't stop real. Remember me tell you, them youth are loyal. This is the thing there. Love, unity and strength, always. People, you need to try this. You need to come on board, and you need to come and enjoy this moment. This is a wonderful moment where you're always gonna remember until death do part. To come down this place here and go back up, I'm telling you, it's the talk of the town. Be real, you catch it. Family.
Truckers.
Chuck.
Make sure you can keep up.
And them say keep up, and me agree to. So the girls them have to meet up. See you up.
Up.